Hello, happy Friday. Today we're going to talk about proportion. Proportion is a part considered in relation to the whole. So today we're going to talk about drawing a shoe and finding proper proportion in our shoe drawing. So when we are drawing, we will be comparing the size of one part of the shoe or thing you are drawing to another part. So to start, we're going to be finding the length of our shoe. And to do that, we're not going to be doing any measurements. We're just going to right now fit the shoe within the confines of our drawing paper. So to do that, start with the toe box, the tip, and the heel. And finding those 2 points, now you can start measuring and finding out the height of your shoe. So to do that, we can use our pencil to find the length of our shoe, and using your fingers to mark off where the shoe ends, hold it up straight to find the tallest part of your shoe, which won't be the same angle as I'm sitting as the camera, but you get the idea. So the height of my shoe is about 3/4 of the length of my shoe. So now that I've determined the length of my shoe, the height of my shoe will be 3/4 of this length. So I'm going to find about 3/4 here, which is about the length of my pencil, and then I'm going to mark that. And then I'm going to start boxing in the rough shape of my shoe. So you want to do a rough outline, go from a light sketch and then move on to your more detailed areas. We want to do that because doing a rough sketch, we can change and alter the lines more easily. But if you start adding in really tiny, refined details that you will eventually be doing first, then it will be much more of a pain to try to erase all of those things that you've done. So start with the outline and the basic boxing in of your shoe first before you start to get into those real fine details of your shoe. So to start boxing it in, you're going to want to use angle measurements and comparative measurements to start doing that. So using your pencil as a tool of measurement and to check angles, you'll be holding it to see the angle of the top of your shoe, and then bring it down to your paper, and that'll give you that angle. Same thing with the back of your shoe. And there's lots of angles within a shoe, so this is a very good object to start practicing these angle measurements in. So step 1 is to box in your shoe and make sure it's fitting within your paper. Okay, so that's your first step.